Another meal prep made easy with my new Beast blender. I so love this thing. The versatility of it has 3 different cups, so you can create what you need, stick it in the fridge, and out the door you go in the morning. And the other thing I love about it is that it's portable. So I don't know if you're like me, but when you travel, you fall off your plan, and this helps me not fall off my plan. I have my nice little blender to make my fresh smoothies. So for today, I wanted to share with you, I'm going to make one with kale. So I'm going to have some greens. I have 1 cup of my favorite nut milk in here. And what I'm going to do, I don't know if you're like me, but I like my smoothie to have some, I like it to be hearty. So I'm going to put my greens in here first. That's about 1.5 cups of greens. You can use any greens here, whatever you like, and it's good to always rotate your greens. And I'm just going to give this baby a quick blend, so then I will add in my other things. That's a key when making green smoothies, is to do that. It helps everything get really nice and creamy. Like those greens really blended up. So what I've added for today is, I have underneath here, I'll let it thaw out so that it could start to defrost, is my acai. I love this because, again, I always have purpose with my nutrition, and this stuff is full of antioxidants, fighting that inflammation that makes us age quicker, heart health, brain health, cognitive function, like all of the above. Yeah, I've made a little bit of a mess with this. I probably should have just left it in the packet, let it defrost, and then dump it in. Would have probably been a wiser idea. So I just had a banana out here. I'm not choosing to use banana today. Ooh, look at me, I made a mess. But you could do, I mean, it's limitless here with everything that you can make. And there we go. And just a matter of minutes, you have a healthy smoothie put together. See how nice and thick that is? I love them like that. I like them to be hearty, like I said. So now, if you are prepping this the night before, you can completely just put this right on in the fridge, and out the door you go in the morning. Oh, so good. The other option here, I wanted to show you this too. So you see that? And then it has one of the nice little carrying items here. But I'm telling you, that straw, I don't think anything would leak out of that. But then you have this, and out the door you go. So I hope you guys try this out and love it as much as I do. We all want to get in and out of the kitchen quick, right? No one likes to spend all day in the kitchen. Links below. Let me know if you guys try this out and love it as much as I do. Much love, guys. Mwah.